If your day is busy and watercolor feels like it takes too much time, this is for you. Stay with me for 5 minutes. We'll paint easy water ripples together. Start with wetting your paper and then start dropping paints like phthalo blue mixed with Hansa yellow or turquoise, or if you have phthalo turquoise, that works too. As you keep dropping paints, let it bleed and blend naturally. Add a little bit of yellow at places so that you can create some variation in color. Let the colors blend and bleed together. Take a moment to see how beautifully these colors blend into each other. If your paper starts to dry, just re-wet it and keep continuing. If at all there are any blooms forming on your paper when you add more paint to the paper, don't worry. We will use these blooms to enhance the painting. So just enjoy this moment. Now I'm creating a aqua green kind of a shade, which is like a sea green. So I mixed phthalo blue and Hansa yellow, or any light yellow will work to create this shade, and I'm now dropping it on the paper. However, I noticed that the brush is too dry and even the paper has started drying up. So I'm going to switch to my silver black velvet brush, which is loaded, which absorbs more water and is always loaded with moisture. I'm now splattering some paint so that we get some kind of unevenness, the natural blooms. So now I'm starting to drop paint. I'm just going with the flow and adding a few dark spots here and there. At the moment, I'm just enjoying and going with the flow. Let's quickly dry our paper to go for the next step. I'm using PH Martin's bleed proof white ink and also a rigger brush to draw these thin strokes and lines across the paper. Just enjoy while you do this, go with the flow, draw random lines crossing, intersecting each other across the paper. If you don't have a rigger brush or you feel like you are in better control with a pen, you can definitely use a jelly roll pen to do the same. As you can see, there is no particular direction that I'm going in. I'm just randomly drawing some lines, but I'm making sure that I definitely go over the darkest areas. Don't make the patterns outlining the dark patches or the dark blobs, because then it will not look like it is reflection or a highlight in the water. It will then become almost like you're painting stones or outlining something. So try to go over randomly and create these highlights. Once you're done with the highlighting lines, smooth out the intersections so that they look more oval or natural and not like strings floating on water. I hope you are enjoying this process and not feeling rushed at all. 5 minutes like this can reset your mind and get the energy back in your day. Coming back at our tutorial, continue to draw these squiggly lines overlapping each other to create a little motion in your water. Don't worry, they don't need to be perfect. Draw freely, trust your intuition, and go with the flow. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want more calm, beginner friendly lessons, my watercolor oceans and lakes mini course is linked below in the description.